Then continue there. 34, lecture number 34. Here sex ratio. According to sex ratio, on the basis of the sex ratio, world can be divided into 4 parts. Clear? World can be divided into 4 parts on the basis of variation in sex ratio. First is countries with very high sex ratio, where population is more than 1050. Population where 1050 females per thousand, 1050 females per thousand males. European countries like France, Italy, Germany are included in this group, and USA, Canada. All these countries are included in this group. Then here countries with high sex ratio. 1000 to 1050. 1050 female per thousand male. Countries are included in second group: Ukraine, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Thailand. These here number 1 and number 2 group. Here female population is high than male population. In first group. Here all these developed countries. Next, here number 3, countries with male dominance. The sex ratio found here 950 to 1000. 950 to 1000 males per thousand females. Clear? Here the male population is high. In these countries. Like here the Australia, New Zealand, China, Mexico and Brazil. 950 to 1000. And last here the countries with excessive male dominance, जहाँ पे male और भी ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, less than 950. Here the sex ratio less than 950. All these countries are included in this group, like India, Pakistan. In India 940 or 943, ठीक है. तो here less than 950 sex ratio found in this country. So here also female population is low than male population. So all these countries are included in number 4 group, countries with excessive male dominance. So here the parts, world can be divided into 4 parts on the basis of variation in sex ratio. Here developed countries, then here the sex ratio is high, and the underdeveloped countries, or here the developing countries, sex ratio is found low.